Orúkọ mi ni Olórí Bukola Mariam Saliu. Mo dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ Ọlọ́run ọba fún àṣeyọrí tí ó gbé aláìlúwà ọba Saliu Babatunde Saliu ti ìlú Oworoshoki tó jẹ́ ọkọ mi. Mo dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ Ọlọ́run. Mo wá kí wọn kú oríire ayẹyẹ ìtàn ṣe lénìí. Wọ́n máa ṣe ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ ọdún láyé o. Igba ọdún kan ni wọ́n máa pẹ́pẹ́pẹ́pẹ́ lórí àpèrè náà. Mo dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ Ọlọ́run ọba o. Mo dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ gbogbo ọmọ ìlú Oworoshoki fún àdúrótì wọn, fún support wọn. Mo dẹ̀ dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ gbogbo ẹbí nílé lóko. Mo dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ gbogbo wọn o. Ẹ ṣé gan-an ni o. Ẹ ṣé o.
Because I like to. Okay. Omoba Adiola Adetoro, Vice Chairman, Etiosa Local Government, and also the Chairman of all Vice Chairman in Lagos State. I would like to felicitate with my scribe, my second. He used to be the Secretary of the Association, turned our Royal Father today. I pray that your reign will be long and prosperous. Adiakpe Lori, Atakpe Lese, Irukere Adokini. Olórí náà adé ṣiṣẹ́ bí pẹ́pẹ́pẹ́pẹ́. Congrats.
My name is Aisha Oke. I am a good friend to the Olori. I have known Olori and Kabiyesi for more than 15 years now, and I would say that Kabiyesi is a very, very humble person, and this is a position that is well deserved, and I want to congratulate them. I am so happy, and I wish them all the best, and I know that they will do great things in this Oworoshoki. I am glad. I rejoice with them. I came all the way to celebrate with them. More celebration in their lives, in their relationship, and all that. Olori Eneleni Onigbashi Ese o. You have been a good woman, a good wife. Ìyàwó tó ń dúró ti ọkọ ni ẹ́. You will not fall sick. Nothing bad will happen to you. You will be there to eat the fruit of your labor. Lágbára títóbi Ọlọ́run. I congratulate you both. Congratulations to you. Thank you.
Orúkọ orúkọ mi ní Princess Omobolanle Saliu Adigun. Inú mi dùn púpọ̀ lẹ́ni torí pé ẹ̀gbọ́n mi jẹ ọba. So mi mọ̀ pé inú dádì wa máa dùn lọ́rùn báyìí. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alamin. And nínú gbogbo wa dùn, gbogbo àwọn sisters mi wà níbi bẹ̀yẹn, gbogbo wa fẹ́ lọ ṣe rally. So àwọn aráàlú máa mọ̀ pé ọba tuntun ti wọ̀lú, ìdẹ̀ra ti dé, inshallah.